Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to the Jet Engine Project. This is episode 3, and we are going, in the next couple days for me, minutes for you guys, we're going to be finishing up the jet engine and prepping it for its first start. So to start off today's video, I'm just going to go over some parts I just bought, and so yeah. Alright, so I just got back from the auto parts store, and I'll go over what I bought. I bought a couple components to go from the combustion chamber to the compressor wheel because we need a pipe to connect them. So actually neither of these things is mounted up right now. So basically though, it's going to go from this pipe to somewhere up in the top here, most likely right around in this area. We want it to go in at the top so that the air circulates through and goes through the center section down into the turbine. So what I got was this connector. This is for an intake on a car exhaust, on a car. So it doesn't really hold a lot of heat, and at this point up here in the front of the turbo, there really shouldn't be a whole lot, so this should be okay. Everything after this, though, is exhaust components, and so this will go from here to this flexible exhaust tubing, which I hope isn't too steep of an angle, or too, I don't know what you call this, not too shallow, maybe? I don't know. But basically, doesn't turn fast enough, I guess is the best way to describe it. And that came with this U-bolt right here. And then I got some more oil because in the testing for this thing, I've just lost some, so I just need to refill it up a little bit. This isn't the exact oil that's currently in there, but it should be okay. I mean, it's just a single turbo, so it'll be fine. And then I also got this piece right here, which is going to go from this piping, and this will actually be welded into the tubing. And then I found this stuff, which is actually extremely beneficial because before what I was using was gasket maker, and that stuff can only hold up like 650 degrees, and I kind of assumed, I don't think I can really find anything that can hold more temperature than this, until I happened to be looking for the exhaust and was like, oh wait, I can use this stuff because it goes up to 2000 degrees, which is a lot higher than 650, and that's about that's going to be close to probably how hot this thing could possibly get. So I'm going to be pretty much going over everything that needs to be gone over in this stuff now, including the stuff that's already been gasket makered. I don't know what I'm going to do with all that stuff. I might just apply it on top, maybe scrape off a little and then apply it. I don't really know. I haven't figured that out yet. So yeah, I'm going to mount up the turbine and everything pretty much and figure out how all this is going to get fit in and get it all fitted up to prep it for getting permanently like welded in and stuff. So yeah. Alright guys, here's what I come up with. So I kind of took the intake connector. I was able to get it on because it was just a little funky, and so basically I put a couple rounds of duct tape around this, which should be fine, and I figured it'd be my redneck factor to this whole thing, so I gotta put some zip ties on it now somewhere. I got my duct tape, now I need zip ties. So anyway, I got this connector in here. I'll probably flip it around so you can see the logo at least, because why not? And so then I got this exhaust tubing going up here to this adapter, and so I'm gonna have the U-clamp going right there. I'm one-handing this right now. And then this adapter is going to get chopped up, and I'm going to cut a hole in here, and this part's going to get welded in to the container. I gotta get it all straightened out basically, but then this part's going to get welded in here. And so yeah, that's what I'll get on to now. Alright guys, welcome back. My phone died during that last time lapse, so I kind of said screw it and kept on working, and so here's what I did. But then what I've done since then. I got this all mounted up. Add a little more duct tape in there, flip that around. This guy is pretty much tacked in all the way around, obviously, because it's super thin stainless steel. I can't MIG weld that. But I was able to get some tacks in, and what I'm going to do is use the exhaust sealer, also throw some down in there, because that's pretty loose. This isn't tightened down, hasn't been tightened down at all, but I'm still going to throw some down in there before I tighten it up, and pretty much get this whole thing. I added some machine screws, so I tapped and threaded these holes. I did 4 all the way around the thing, just to kind of hold this whole part in place. And so pretty much the only thing left on this that's preventing this from running right now is a spark plug up here and a spark transformer. So yeah, that part's waiting in the mail, so probably the next time I see you guys when that piece arrives in the mail. And that should be the end of this video before we start this thing up next video. And yeah, so I'm gonna gasket maker all this up, and I'll see you guys when I have those new parts. Hey guys, what's up? A couple days later, that part I ordered came in the mail. I actually ordered 2 parts. I ordered the new spark module. I've got the old one. No idea if that was heard, but there's a loud bang. This one's the rusted one. Ordered a new one that came in. I've been fiddling around, kind of cleaning up everything. Alright, we're back. It's thunder, and I have a very scared doggo with me now. Anyway, so I've been cleaning up the whole system, basically. I got a boost pressure gauge in there. It's pretty big, so I don't think it's going to move a lot. But anyway, yeah, so here's currently what the whole thing looks like. And then I got this wire running up here, which goes right up to the spark plug, which I'll show you in a second. Oh, and then the other... Okay, yeah, I'm back. The other thing I ordered was I got a motor speed regulator, which is going to go in right here where this old resistor thing is. That's in the mail, but I'm not going to put that in the video. I'm just going to install that off camera because it's not really necessary. Okay, Lucy, how can I get around you? So I'll show you where the new spark thing is. And basically, I think the first one I have is also defective. So now this is a complete mess in here. But this isn't even connected to anything anymore. That's just sitting there. Yeah, so here's the new one. I ended up putting it in. I was trying to have this piece installed up here, but I was having issues with voltage drop, and so it wouldn't turn on all the way up here. But I was able to actually connect these wires to the high voltage output and have it work fine. So that's what I did now. So that's just sitting up there. So I'll put this back. It needs to be cleaned up in there, but I'll deal with that later. Whoop. My thing's passing out. There we go. So now I can turn it on and hit spark. See if you can see that in there. But it's in there. So yeah. See you guys in the next video when we start this thing. Goodbye.